in from Jackson as he's on the attack and he comes back and wins.
Lahat ng mayayabang at ubod ng angas na boksingero ay nakakahanap ng katapat na magpapahiya sa kanila sa ibabaw ng lona.
By Maidana that sticks a right hand. Broner goes down for the first time in his career. He's hurt back. And he's hurt.
Impressive in the fact that he's been knocked down twice, felt a lot of power, yet he's still...
Yan ang nangyari sa boksingero na si Cornelius Whitlock na nag-akala na sigurado na ang kanyang pagkapanalo matapos sayawan at i-disrespect ang kanyang kalaban na mapabagsak niya ito. Subalit karma ang inabot nito ng maging overconfident at hindi nirespeto ang power ng kanyang kalaban. Ang bakbakang Whitlock versus Jackson nga ay nagsisilbing paalala sa mga boksingero na kailangan mong irespeto ang inyong kalaban at huwag magiging kampante hanggat hindi natatapos ang laban. January 16, 2015 na magkaharap ang parehong papaangat pa lamang na boksingero na sina Greg Jackson at Cornelius Whitlock. Ang laban kung saan kinakailangan maging impresibo ang bawat panalo para magmarka ang kanilang pangalan sa buong mundo. May record ang 26 anyos na si Greg Jackson na 3 wins, 1 by knockout at 1 loss. Habang ang 31 anyos na si Cornelius Whitlock ay may record na 3 wins, 2 by knockout at 1 loss. Lamang sa height ang 6-footer na si Jackson, subalit lamang na lamang naman sa nag-uumapaw na confidence si Whitlock na may pagkakahawig kay Adrian Broner ang estilo. Ating balikan kung papaano pinagbayaran ni Cornelius Whitlock ang ginawa nitong pambabasto sa kanyang kalaban. Sa round 1 pa lamang ay makikitang kampanteng-kampante si Whitlock sa kanyang shoulder roll defense na tila hindi nito siniseryoso ang kanyang kalaban.
Look at when he squats to get into that stance there. How low. Jackson came forward with a right hand there.
Nice. Split majority decisions and on that range. Drawing a line in the canvas.
There he comes in behind the jab and scored with the right-handed Greg Jackson.
But Whitlock's smaller man as low as 142 pounds. Never above 146 while Jackson had been as high as... And I talk about the close fight.
Pagdating naman sa round 2 ay dito na nagyabang si Whitlock nang mapabagsak nito si Jackson na sumasayaw-sayaw pa habang bumabagsak ang kanyang kalaban.
Wilder.
Not showing. Maybe he didn't fight a lot of tall guys in those 64 amateur fights.
Success back in the 2007 DC gloves. There's another right.
Then he takes a little step out. Importantly, feel frustrated, like he can't get it.
Oh, he opened up and caught him. My, oh my, he was dancing while he was still going down. Greg Jackson damaged goods.
Those long arms of Jackson, high up. All he's doing right now. In other words, don't worry about getting them back. Just worry about surviving in some ways. Morning sunrise.
Jackson opened up. Whitlock caught him big.
Pagdating naman sa round 3 ay pinagbayaran ni Whitlock ang ginawa niyang pagdisrespect sa kanyang kalaban. Habang kampante ito sa pagbabato ng kanyang mga suntok ay hindi nito namalaya na dito na din pala magtatapos ang laban.
Was in the green and white, using his walked right in, no jab, gave up his height, Joe. And what about when you're taller? What's the sense of being tall if you don't use that advantage? First round in the green, white, and red, yeah, he used it. Second round, yeah, he didn't use it. Just walked in, no jab. To the distance of the shorter man, Whitlock.
And now a right hand rains in from Jackson as he's on the attack, and he comes back and wins it with a TKO. What a turnaround by Greg Jackson.
He behaved like a... Well, right now, that dance, and I don't know...
Matapos i-dribble ni Jackson ang kanyang ulo ay walang kamalay-malay at nakatulala lamang si Whitlock na tila hilong-hilo pa din dahil sa kinain nitong kombinasyon. Habang hindi naman makapaniwala sa nangyari si Whitlock ay bumawi naman si Jackson na sumasayaw-sayaw na sa kabilang dako ng ring bilang sagot sa pang-aasar sa kanya noong bumagsak ito sa round 2.
And got the job done. And then showed that he thinks he can dance.
Pagkatapos sa mga mapahiya sa laban hindi na muling tumuntong sa ibabaw ng lona si Whitlock na nagretiro na may record na 3 wins, 2 losses at 2 draw.